Hey, back again. I got a call from work, said we didn't have to come in tonight because there's a storm out in the Gulf, and we're on the east side of it. It's looks like it's heading over towards between Mobile and New Orleans. And so because we're on the eastern side, we get all the thunderstorms and tornadoes and lightning and all that good stuff. So I get to stay home. So I came out here to monkey with this some more and wanted to show you all. This is the divider deal I was talking about, putting in the back of the plenum to kind of direct the air to either side instead of the air just splattering against the back wall. Like I said, I don't have, another intake to compare it to on the dyno or at the track, but I'm just hoping it works. It would seem like it would, so I'm going with it. And these are the covers I made to put underneath the intake manifold. All it does is keep the hot oil from hitting the runners, or supposed to. This is the first one I made out of sheet metal after I left my other job, where I had an actual machine shop available. Like on the weekends and stuff, I tend to get up early, so I'd go into work at like 5, and I could make a lot of racket in there without pissing off the neighbors. So once I didn't have all those tools available to me, I had to get crude, and this thing looks like a bucket of smashed ass if there ever was something that looked like it. It's just sheet metal from Lowe's. And of course I didn't give a shit what it looks like because it's just on the bottom, but I took the old one off, got all the rivets out, and drilled the pedestals and run a screw into them, and then tack welded the screw to the sheet metal so it wouldn't come out. And this is the one I just made this afternoon. It looks a little better, but still, it'll work, just not as pretty as my other one. This is the one I did when I worked at the other place, where I had like a bandsaw and I had a belt sander and other stuff available to me. So that one looks a lot prettier, but they're all going to work the same. This one just got some gaps around here I didn't have the patience to monkey with, so I ain't sweating it. It'll keep most of the hot oil off, and what that does is, like I said before, to keep the air charge cooler. And what we've seen on our 60 foots on our actual ETs on the hot lap, when you go run a lap down the track, run a pass, come back, do another one, the ETs don't fall off as much, just because you're still able to keep the air charge cooler, which helps make more power, which helps you go faster. The endless cycle. But that was all. Just wanted to show that to you. Have a good one.